Hello everyone and welcome to Lantu Electric Bikes. We are a professional electric bicycle OEM manufacturer, focusing on providing customers with one-stop customized services and tailor-made high-quality high-performance electric vehicles. This model is equipped with a 3000 W high-power motor and a 60V30Ah large-capacity lithium battery, which has sufficient power and solid battery life to meet the needs of daily commuting and outdoor off-road travel. The whole vehicle is equipped with a full-section shock absorption hydraulic fork, which cushions bumps, rides comfortably, and can drive smoothly in complex road conditions. With a hydraulic disc brake system, the braking is sensitive and stable, ensuring safer daily riding. 26 by 4.0-inch explosion-proof and stab-proof wide tires, strong grip, stable and durable, full of comfort and practicality. It supports all-round personalized customization of brand logo, body color, and appearance configuration, making it easy to create exclusive brand models. We have professional production lines, strict quality inspection systems and flexible customization services, which are the most reliable partners for you to do electric vehicle foreign trade and OEM.